Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
At Candy Hunting found the hot cocoa bomb at their local Kroger store, which means it's probably available at most major retailers. It's also available on Amazon right now for $8.99 a piece and is eligible for Prime, so it can be at your door in 2 days flat. 2 days ago.
Let's help you make your mark.
Costco is selling 16 packs of hot cocoa bombs for $19. The hot cocoa bombs first became popular on TikTok. The hot cocoa bombs come in 4 flavors: milk chocolate, strawberry, s'mores, and salted caramel.
Take our lead.
A hot cocoa bomb is basically a hollow chocolate ball filled with marshmallows and hot cocoa mix. The neat treat turns any mug of hot milk into a steaming mug of hot chocolate, complete with marshmallows, in a matter of seconds. They're also so satisfying to watch. 6 days ago.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hot chocolate bombs or hot cocoa bombs are cute little balls of chocolate that you put into a mug. When you pour hot milk into the mug, the chocolate melts and magically releases the marshmallows and cocoa hiding inside.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.